Hey there, beach lovers and adventure seekers. Today we're taking a virtual trip to the sun-soaked shores of Agadir, Morocco, to explore the Allegro Agadir Hotel. This four-star gem is perfectly positioned right on Agadir Beach, promising a blend of seaside relaxation and urban excitement. So, grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this hotel a standout destination for families, couples, and even business travelers looking for a touch of Moroccan magic. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? The Allegro Agadir recently underwent a complete makeover, giving all 321 of its rooms a fresh, modern facelift. Now, while they might not have fancy names like Super Deluxe Ocean View Suite with Unicorn Service, these rooms are anything but basic. Picture this. You walk into your room, and bam, you're greeted by bright, contemporary decor that screams vacation mode activated. Some rooms offer garden views that'll have you feeling like you're in a lush oasis, while others give you a front row seat to pool shenanigans. And let's not forget those lucky ducks who score a room with a terrace, perfect for sipping morning coffee or evening cocktails while contemplating life's big questions, like, should I have another pastry at breakfast? Speaking of breakfast, let's talk grub. The Allegro Agadir keeps things simple but satisfying with its dining options. There's a main buffet restaurant that's like a culinary United Nations, serving up international cuisine that caters to all tastes and ages. And the best part? They've got flexible meal times, so whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you won't go hungry. For those moments when you're too lazy to put on proper clothes, we've all been there. There are 2 snack bars ready to satisfy your munchies throughout the day. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about the dress code? Do I need to pack my tuxedo? Fear not, my friends. While the hotel doesn't specify a dress code, it's safe to say that as long as you're not showing up in your birthday suit, you'll be just fine. Now, let's splash into the pool and beach situation. The Allegro Agadir boasts a main outdoor pool that's practically begging you to cannonball into it. While we don't have the exact dimensions, maybe they're keeping it a secret to prevent pool nerds from getting too excited. Reviews suggest it's big enough to accommodate both serious lap swimmers and those who prefer to float around like human starfish. But let's be real, the real star of the show is the beach. With direct access to Agadir's sandy shores, you're just steps away from feeling like a character in a cheesy romance novel, complete with long walks on the beach and dramatic gazing into the sunset. The hotel doesn't go into detail about water sports or beach services, so let's just assume they're leaving it up to your imagination. Jet ski jousting, anyone? When it comes to activities, the Allegro Agadir keeps things a bit mysterious. They don't explicitly mention a fitness center or spa, which either means they're incredibly exclusive or non-existent. But hey, who needs a treadmill when you've got a beautiful beach to run on? And as for relaxation, maybe they're encouraging guests to embrace the ancient art of doing absolutely nothing. However, for those who can't sit still, the hotel's prime location means you're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from restaurants, beach clubs, cafes, and shops. So, you can always create your own adventure, whether that's haggling in the local markets or attempting to order coffee in broken French. Now, let's talk about the littlest guests. While the Allegro Agadir doesn't go into great detail about its kid-friendly features, they do mention a mini club. What goes on in this mini club, you ask? Well, that's left to our imagination. Perhaps it's a secret society where kids plot world domination through the strategic use of sandcastles. Or maybe it's just a fun place where they can make friends and give their parents a much-needed break. Either way, it's clear that families are welcome here, and the flexible meal times at the restaurant are a godsend for parents dealing with hangry little ones. For those of you who can't completely disconnect from the real world, we see you, workaholics. The Allegro Agadir has got you covered. There's free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, so you can post envy-inducing beach pics or, actually do some work if you must. And for the ultimate multitaskers, there's even a conference center just a 2-minute walk away. Nothing says productive vacation like a PowerPoint presentation followed by a dip in the ocean, right? Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The Allegro Agadir's location is pretty much perfect for those who want to explore beyond the hotel grounds. You're right in the heart of Agadir's seaside action, with easy access to the city's attractions. While the hotel doesn't provide a detailed list of nearby hotspots, a quick internet search reveals that you're not far from places like the Agadir Medina, a modern recreation of a traditional Berber village, or the Agadir Afella ruins, which offer panoramic views of the city and coastline. And for those moments when you're craving a taste of local culture that doesn't involve haggling over souvenir prices, you're surrounded by authentic Moroccan restaurants and cafes. So what's the overall verdict on the Allegro Agadir? Well, it's like that friend who's not the loudest at the party, but always ensures everyone has a good time. It might not have the most extensive list of amenities or the fanciest room categories, but it nails the essentials. You've got a great location, comfortable rooms, flexible dining options, and direct beach access, all wrapped up in a freshly renovated package. It's the kind of place where you can truly relax without feeling like you need a vacation from your vacation. The hotel's strengths lie in its simplicity and location. It's perfect for those who want a comfortable base to explore Agadir without getting lost in a labyrinth of hotel corridors or overwhelmed by too many activity options. The recent room renovations are a definite plus, ensuring that even if you're spending time in your room, you're doing it in style. However, if you're the type who needs a full spa menu, multiple restaurant options, or a packed schedule of hotel-organized activities, you might find the Allegro Agadir a bit too laid-back. But hey, sometimes less is more, right? What really makes the Allegro Agadir stand out is its ability to cater to different types of travelers. Families can enjoy the mini club and flexible meal times. Couples can bask in the romantic beachfront setting, and business travelers can take advantage of the nearby conference facilities. It's like a Swiss Army knife of hotels, versatile, reliable, and gets the job done without any fuss. One unique selling point that deserves a mention is the hotel's gardens. While we don't have detailed descriptions, the fact that they're highlighted suggests they're pretty special. Imagine strolling through lush greenery after a day at the beach, feeling like you've discovered a secret oasis in the middle of the city. It's these little touches that can turn a good vacation into a great one. Now, while we don't have specific guest stories to share, maybe the hotel is keeping all the juicy gossip under wraps. It's easy to imagine the kind of experiences you might have here. Picture families building sandcastles together on the beach, couples enjoying romantic sunset walks, or friends laughing over drinks at one of the snack bars. It's the kind of place where memories are made, even if those memories are as simple as finally finishing that book you've been meaning to read for months. In conclusion, the Allegro Agadir might not be the flashiest hotel on the block, but it's got charm in spades. It's like that perfectly broken-in pair of jeans, comfortable, reliable, and always makes you feel good. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly beach getaway, a romantic escape, or just a place to recharge your batteries while soaking up some Moroccan sun, this hotel has got you covered. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.